Cottage Trust was registered in October 2015. The trust aims at bridging the gap between general education and skill development, and that is why we selected this acronym cottage, which stands for Cradle of Technical Training and General Education. Besides having been registered as a trust, the trust is also registered with the Finance Ministry, with the Economic Affairs Division, to facilitate remittances from abroad. The trust established its first school at Takhtpadi in 2016, which has now reached class 6th. 2 years after the initial establishment of Takhtpadi school, we had set up 2 more schools, one at Java and the other at Dhok Major. And these schools are also successfully being run. Having gathered this experience of running schools, we now want to take the next step of setting up a technology college. And for that, with the support of all our donors, we have acquired a land where I am standing. This is about 6 canal land. We have acquired it at a cost of 10.5 million rupees. For development of the infrastructure, we have developed an outline plan. The complete project would cost something like 130 million rupees, but of course this is to be undertaken in phases. And for the first phase, we are looking at raising around 10 million rupees. I'll request all those who see and listen that they should generously contribute, because you are contributing towards the future of the youth of Pakistan.